Hello friends, my name is Tejas and today we are going to talk about how thoughts impact your life. You may not have been noticing it, but once you wake up in the morning, they just start. Our thoughts start randomly. You can notice it tomorrow morning. The reason to understand this is we just get flowing with the thoughts, not understanding whether the thoughts are really important in our life or no. We just give it a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, and the thoughts get continuous. So it's very important to categorize your thoughts, whatever you get. How to categorize, and there are some things what you need to understand in this short video. But before that, I'm just going to tell you that why we are making this video. For the next 6 months, we are going to introduce to you a short video every month, usually on the first Sunday of the month. And on the second Sunday of every month, we are going to talk about it in depth at our office place for an hour at evening 5 p.m. So maybe you can join us every second Sunday at our office location. So let's continue. Why categorization is important? Because we get thoughts randomly and not all thoughts are positive, and definitely not thoughts are negative as well. But when we get carried away, we need to understand when we get negative thoughts, we are in a situation wherein we start losing hope on particular idea, we get demotivated, we get depressed, and there will be low in confidence. So these things, if they are continuing, then definitely these are not a good sign for your future ideas, for your future goals, for your future career. And definitely on the other side, there are positive ideas, positive hopes as well, positive thoughts as well, wherein these thoughts give you better hope for living. They motivate you. Your willpower, your confidence level will be at a very good position, wherein you can have much more ideas and you can direct your life at a good pace. Just some more points what we are going to discuss ahead. Now, why did I tell you is because whenever we get any thought, we feel it is going to be real or it's going to happen in the future. And the more positive we think, the better it is. The more negative we think, it's not good. I told you already. Now, 97% of the thoughts are actually not real or they never happen actually. In a particular scenario, we think many situations, and out of that 97% of the time, the things don't even happen. It is like we are preparing for the things that are never going to happen. And usually we find it. A situation tomorrow morning, we just, throughout the night, we think about it, we talk about it, and in the morning, it's something different. So, before going much deeper into that, it's very important how thoughts impact your life. So, analyze them, categorize them. Okay. Now, why does this happen actually? Because since childhood, since growing age, we have been always learning such sentences that means तुझ्या हातून नाही होणार किंवा हे तुझ्यासाठी केलेलं नाही आहे, दिस इज नॉट युअर कप ऑफ टी, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक एनिथिंग बिग इन युअर लाईफ. तर असे सगळे स्टेटमेंट्स जे आहेत, या स्टेटमेंट्समुळे काय होते की आपला कॉन्फिडन्स लो होतोय. देर इज अ बॅरियर वेअर वी फील दॅट येस दिस थिंग इज नॉट फॉर मी, या गोष्टी माझ्यासाठी नाही आहेत, अँड देन वी ट्राय टू लिव्ह देम. प्लीज डोंट एक्सेप्ट सच थॉट्स. You should never accept such thoughts because you are being programmed to think in that way. You have to reprogram yourself, and that's the reason categorization of thoughts will help you. With negative, just stop and read it. I'll tell you this point later again. Now, what you have to do ahead is do not surrender with the problems you have, because with the negative thoughts we tend to surrender, we tend to quit easily. Don't accept, I told you first thing. And second thing is don't surrender, because whatever problem you are in, this problem has to pass on. It will pass on. Okay. So remember that attitude at such situations, in what attitude do we have, that's very important, because it is said that attitude is more important even than ability. ॲबिलिटी सबके पास आहे, सगळ्यांकडे ॲबिलिटी आहे, स्किल आहे, टॅलेंट आहे, यू कॅन डू इट, पण तरी पण आपण नाही करू शकत. वाय? बिकॉज तो ॲटिट्यूड नसतोय, करायची इच्छाशक्ती, विल पॉवर, दॅट गोज डाऊन, द कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल गोज डाऊन. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टँड दिस, ओके, with a negative mindset, if you are having a negative mindset, you can never get a winning attitude. तर त्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी वन बाय वन, स्टेप बाय स्टेप तुम्हाला हेल्प होणार आहेत इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग दिस. ओके, get the courage to step into tomorrow and then you will be really surprised की किती opportunities आहेत, किती नवीन लोक तुमच्या लाईफ मध्ये येणार आहेत. There are many better ideas, many surprising modes in your life, but it will only happen when you get all the courage and step into tomorrow. Okay? Begin, because beginning is half done. You just have to begin, and then one by one, everything is going to fall at the right place. People who are optimistic, are doing well, will definitely understand this thing. Maybe people who are not doing well and they seek help, please give it a try, and then you can see that yes, it works. तुम्हाला थोड़ा वेळ लागेल, but yes, it works. Okay? There's one more thing in a way I want to make you understand these things. We all people use social media. This is social media life, so maybe WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, anything, and we follow certain people, and accordingly आपण त्यांचे ideas आणि views घेत असतो. Right? The people whom we don't like, even on the WhatsApp status, the person whom you hate or maybe you don't like that much, you don't even tend to open their status to check what is it. किती पण चांगला असेल, होय की नाही? तर यामुळे आपण काय करायचंय, आपल्याला आपल्या विचारांबरोबर पण असंच करायचंय. There should be set of thoughts, goals, हे लिहून ठेवा. This should be written somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the, it's like hashtag or trending things, what are there in my mind that are good for my life, that are good for my career thoughts, and I am going to follow only this thing. Whenever you are struck with any negative situation, any negative thought, tell your mind to stop and redirect. Okay? Remember, what you have to do? You have to stop right there and redirect. Give a command to your brain, stop. I don't follow this. I don't need this. Redirect to the positive aspects. Okay? Because I told you what happens when you go with the negative and how well it is when you go with the positive. So the last point now, everyone may be knowing what is a placebo effect. Right? Placebo effect सगळेजण खूप वेळा ऐकले असेल, but it is very important to understand what is a nocebo effect as well. Placebo effect and nocebo effect are totally two opposite words. आणि आपलं लाईफ हे ह्या बेसिसवरतीच चाललेलं असते. When we feel we can do it, yes, we will do it. But when we feel we cannot do it, we don't even do it, and definitely it will not be done. And then we will be amazed, or maybe we'll be, it's like seeing how this did happen. किंवा मला माहितीच होतं होणार नाही. These are the reprogram thoughts, what I told you in your childhood, की हे नाही होणार आहे. Reprogramming yourself to do something good. Okay? This is it for this short video. I would like to tell you that we are going to meet next Sunday evening at 5 at our office. So please join in to discuss more on this topic. And if you have please liked the content, then please give a subscribe button and hit it. And please share the link with your friends or family, whoever you feel की हे सगळ्या गोष्टी ऐकायला पाहिजे, त्यांच्या लाईफमध्ये चेंजेस व्हायला पाहिजेत. With a short thing, there can be tremendous changes. So let's hope that this video is going to work for you, is going to work for others, and we are going to have a session at the next Sunday. So please join in. Till then, be strong, be positive. See you there.